Well, Judge let Kohberger's defense team know he will deny their motion to dismiss the grand jury indictment on the grounds that there were errors in instructions to the grand jury. Now, it is important to note that there is a separate motion to dismiss that indictment on other grounds. There hasn't yet been a ruling made public on that. The defense argued that there's been some discrepancy and different interpretations throughout legal history of the law surrounding grand juries. Specifically, the defense takes issue with the standard of proof used in those proceedings. Defense attorney Jay Logsdon argued a grand jury should use beyond a reasonable doubt as the standard to indict. Prosecutors say this has been argued before and decided by the Idaho Supreme Court that a grand jury's standard is probable cause. The judge agreed, saying he's held to what the state Supreme Court has already decided.
I am constrained by what I believe is settled law in Idaho. I may be wrong, but this is certainly an issue that you would have to bring up with a higher court. These states that probable cause.
Now, as mentioned, the defense is also asking for the indictment to be tossed because of what they call grand jury bias and issues with some of the evidence in that proceeding. Now, there was a hearing held this morning behind closed doors. That is all sealed because they are discussing at length the grand jury proceedings. And as mentioned, we may expect a written ruling on that motion at a later date. In Latah County, Shannon Mowdy, KREM 2 News.